This quick video will show how to use Storybird in order to create either short stories or one-page poems. The first thing that you're going to want to do is go to storybird.com in your browser. From there, I'm already logged in, so you'll see under you'll need to go ahead and log in, and either your teacher has that or you can create a free account. Then when it's time to create, I'm going to go to write. So you means that I can see work. So I've already started working on a story. It says it's unpublished. For now, we're going to go ahead and write a new story. You're going to notice that when I pull up write, it's going to bring up a series of illustrations or a bunch of pictures. So then you're going to look for pictures that are going to help you advance your story, or maybe you're creating a story from scratch. And then if you want to look, there's some tags here. So maybe if I'm looking for something that has to do with pen and ink, I could choose pen and ink here, and it's going to pull up pictures that might better fit into the category that I want to use. So now I have pictures that look like drawings. I want to use this hot air balloon right here. So I would click the picture. And then you would choose use this art. And it's going to ask, are you doing a multi-chapter book, a multi-page book, or a one-page book? Oops, so that's pulling up the picture that I liked. So I'm going to use this art. And let's just say for now I'm going to do a picture book, multi-page. So from here to the side, I could go ahead and write about the story. The hot air balloon. You can go ahead and, fill this out with whatever you think would be best. Notice that on your cover, you want to make sure you choose a style of cover. I'll choose iconic for now. And then you're going to make sure that you give your book a title and that you go ahead and put in your name. So there are lots of different themes that you can choose from. And you can always go back. You might even just choose classic. Okay, so now I've got this page, and then you can actually create multiple pages by clicking to the next page. Now we've got page 1. And maybe you even want to choose another art piece. You can actually change your pictures by dragging and dropping here. So if I go to plus, then it's going to actually bring me to another page where then I can add more pictures and more words. If you go to menu, you can make sure that you have the save button here, and when you're all finished, you're going to go ahead and publish your work. Notice that as you choose your pictures, you can choose where these go and how big they are. So I might just have like half a page, and then it's going to pull up the text box next to it for me to go ahead and type in what I want there. So then if I go to menu, like I said, we can go to publish. And then it's going to walk you through, you can change your title, your cover at this point, a summary, so maybe overall what the book's about. And this is very brief just for this example. And then I'm going to choose education. You don't have to put tags. These are all optional. And I'm making this public because I want to share with other people. So I'm going to put submit. And now I have a really neat looking short story here. In order to share this, of course, you could buy the actual hard print book. But if you just want to share, then you can click the share button right here. And then you've got a link that you can stick into your e-portfolio. You could share that on Twitter, anywhere that you would like to share your work. And finally, the last step is to go back and see the work that you've created. So if I go to to my stuff, you or your stuff, then you can see I've got one published book that I just did and one unpublished book, and then the gear here, so I could go in and actually edit the book that I've started working on. Have fun creating.